Hi, I'm Tim Witham. I own and operate Drive Age 10, which is a young driving centre for young people from the age of 10 upwards. People come here to learn about driving and have fun and boost their confidence. Be More Social has helped my business greatly because I've been able to become professional about the social messages and the marketing. In the past, it was very mixed. It was using the personal platform for the professional use, and I've really learned the difference. I've learned how to separate that, learned how to really deliver and refine the brand message, learned also about content, the key things about planning that, of course, and having a strategy in place. Having a digital guru at Be More Social has really helped. Actually having somebody that I can keep in touch with, somebody who also learns about my business, has been really, really valuable. And as the relationship has grown, we're about 1.5 years in now, that guru has really got a really good understanding about Drive Age 10. Yeah, I mean, if I'm talking about Elliot as the current guru, as a person, I find him very, very warm. He really wants to help. He's a very professional guy, very motivated. He's got lots of enthusiasm, and he's smart. He's clever. He's able to listen and really interpret it into marketing messages and give some really good ideas. The major things I've learned since working with my guru at Be More Social is really about the priority about the branding and about the consistency, and just making sure that the business presents the right kind of messages. And working with Elliot, working with the gurus really made me appreciate and see how much I didn't know about social marketing. And I think that's a really important element of it. So the social media results that I've seen since working with Be More Social, ultimately it's about creating a buzz, it's about creating an atmosphere for Drive Age 10 projecting out into the social audience. And that was really missing before linking up with Be More Social. Posts were created, and I guess I was happy that I had a post online and I could see it, and but the reality was it wasn't actually doing anything. But now there's a plan behind it. There's the idea about trying out different kinds of content, different types of messages, whether it's a photograph or a video as well. So it's really kind of very dynamic. It's broadening the reach. I'd explain the BMS service to somebody new as being very supportive, very tailored, very personable. And I think what's particularly important is that it's clearly a growing business. Rick and his team are all on the same page, and they really push themselves to increase and grow their own business and Be More Social. And inevitably, that's going to rub off onto their clients as well. So it's very motivational in that way. It doesn't feel like they're just delivering a service. The one piece of advice I'd give to somebody starting with Be More Social is quite simply start the journey. It won't be easy, but it will be worth it. It does take a lot of effort and a lot of commitment, but you'll actually learn to take control of your business's social presence.